You all know very well that there's been a drastic update of Windows 11. So you have been eagerly waiting that because there's been a 6 years of time, Windows 10, there's been no major upgrade. So you have been waiting to upgrade that. So that's not a good thing to do now. So I'll just let you know what is that. Stay tuned in this video. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome back to Corotech. In this channel, trick videos like this one, some tutorials, unboxing, some tips and trick videos, some reviews, all kind of techie stuff. So if you're new here, consider subscribing down. If you're not, consider you can like, comment, share everything. So all YouTubers say that one. So without wasting further time, let's start this video. So let me just go to the Google and then type Windows 11 official download, and now you can see the first link which pops up. Upgrade to the new Windows 11 OS. So just click that. This is the official website of Microsoft. So don't go into some other websites, for God's sake, don't go. So this is the website. You can see down, scroll down into Windows. They give a lot of things. So we need upgrade. So just scroll down. After scrolling for a long time, you can see this thing. Stay up to date with what's new. Subscribe to our newsletter so you can stay informed with the latest information about Windows 11. So click that in a new tab and then sign up, because that's the good thing to do, because when update comes, you can easily upgrade for free, of course. And if you go a little bit down, you can see check for compatibility. So just download the app. Just give download. It just download some app. Let me just show you. And down you can see the minimum system requirements. It says processor 1 GHz. So most of the computers nowadays are 2.5 to 3 GHz. So don't need to worry. 64-bit processor, not 32. 64-bit, not 32. Note down. Memory must be 4 GB RAM. Okay. And so it must be 64 GB. Okay, that's no need to worry. It will be more than that. And system power must be UEFI, that's secure boot cable, anti. Okay, that's such things. Graphic card must be this and display, all that, everything they are giving is requirements. So if you want to check your PC whether it can be upgradable or not, as we did before, download the app. Down here, just click that. Some app called PC Check installs. We can check here. You can see the Windows PC Health Checkup. So this install, just give accept and then give install. It just takes some couple of seconds or minutes. As you can see, the update has been completed. I will add a shortcut, so nothing much. You give finish. After you give finish, it just pops up some kind of thing, and just give check now. That's it. And then you can see the PC can run Windows 11. Oh my god, this PC system requirements have been satisfied. So I would not recommend you to going into this and this, seeing that. Just install the app and then give check. That's all. Then we are good to go. And now coming to the main core of this video. Can you upgrade a Windows 10 to Windows 11? Present at now you can do at this time. You cannot do because Windows 11 has not been officially released. So that if it's have been officially, you can check the links might have been in the Microsoft official website itself. Another one thing is that let me just go to you can see here. If we just go back and you can see here there down, you can see there are some other websites like EMPN and some other websites have the Windows 11 ISO file. It's a very simple thing that you can just open the website and you can download the website the ISO file, and you can just click install, and your Windows 10 will be automatically converted into Windows 11 with free of cost. That's right. But I would not recommend you to do that, for God's sake, because that's somewhat a beta version or some kind of bugs. It's not a stable one, because the very important thing is the OS. Like our heart in our body, like heart and brain in our body, the main important thing for a laptop or PC is OS. So I hope you understood what I'm saying now. So please don't don't be very fast and upgrade with all the files that are there, because we don't know whether it's legal, which website is somewhat safe. Not, we don't know such things, because that's they are providing ISO file. That's it. If some case your laptop or computer got crashed by installing that OS, who's guaranteed that they'll rectify you or such things? So I do not recommend you to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 by unofficial websites that are out there. There's a lot of unofficial websites there, so don't do in that one. So just wait for some time. Officially you can go to the settings and you will get the update, the Windows update. Here you can see now that update will automatically come to you, so no need to worry. And one good news is that the update will roll out for us, it will come out for us by the end of November or December, such like that thing. So just wait for another 5 to 6 months. So just wait, there's nothing much to do for us. And if you want to eagerly install, you can install the beta version, which will be officially released in a couple of weeks or a month. So you can, if you want to do that, you can install that beta version and you can use that. So that's it about this video. I hope you find this video helpful, because I want your PC or your laptop or your computer not to get crashed with somewhat unofficial some kind of things. So that's it about this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Comment below that what you learned, it's helpful or not, like that, such things. So this is Rais Ahmed from Quora Tech signing off. Before that, follow me in my social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everything. So see you next video. Bye bye.